Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add apps to home screen on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And if you want to add an app to your home screen, I'm going to just go ahead and if you want to add your icon on your home screen, go to the app library touch and hold and drag the icon to home screen. So basically what you're going to do, simply go ahead to your app library and basically search for the app that you want to actually add to home screen. Now let's say for example I want to add the Bybit, right? I'm gonna just hold right here to the home screen, hold the app basically, and I'm gonna just add it right here. And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna be able to see it appearing to you right here, and you're gonna be able to see it on your app library as well. So basically that's it. And to know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.